Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to record WhatsApp video call with audio. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, let me gonna tell you that I am using the screen recording feature here. So you guys can use the by default screen recorder or you guys can use any third party screen recorder. So first method is if you have Android version 11 or latest, so you guys can use the screen recording by default feature, which is built-in feature in your Android phone. So you have to just simply open up your phone settings, or you guys have to simply swipe up by just above notification panel, and here you will be able to find any option which is like screen recording. So here I have by default screen recording and I am currently using those, so that's why I cannot use this feature. And you just have to simply open up your screen recorder on your Android phone, and you guys have to just simply start the recording, and you guys can record any of the screen, and you guys can also record audio with that. So after recording the complete video, you have to just simply click on any of the stop button which should be on screen. So you have to just simply click on the stop button to stop, and your screen recording will be saved to your mobile phone. So you guys can also do in recording your WhatsApp video call. Suppose you have a call recording with someone, so you want to record someone on WhatsApp, so you have to just simply make a call on that, and you have to just simply above swipe up and simply open up that screen recorder and record the screen of the whole video call. And in this way you guys can record the WhatsApp video call with audio. And the second method is if you don't have Android version 11, or if you have lower version, so you don't have to worry about it. You have to just simply open up your Play Store application. So after opening up your Play Store application, you have to just simply search for screen recorder. So there are lots of screen recorder available on Android devices. You have to just simply install any one of them, and you have to just simply follow the on-screen instructions in order to record the screen. So whenever you start the video call on your WhatsApp, you have to just simply open up this app and enable the video recording, and you guys can follow the on-screen instructions, and you guys can record the WhatsApp video call. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.